Today we're going to show you how to do a simple tape job for IT band. Typically could be hip pain or outside of the knee pain. So you want 2 strips of tape. They're going to look like this. The shorter strip is going to go across the area of pain. So if your area of pain is down here, you can put the strip there. If it's up here, you can place it higher, and you can even go as high as the hip. So today we're going to put our pain near the fibular head, which is a really common place. You're going to add about 50% of stretch right over the location of pain, and then you're going to let those ends come off without any stretch. You do want to do this tape job with your knee bent. If you tape it with your knee straight, it will limit your range of motion a lot. So here we also got the tape started with about 1 inch of room. We're going to start that at least 2 inches below where we put our decompression strip. And then we're going to be able to bring that up. Follow the contour of your knee so you can kind of turn that corner with your IT band so it follows that contour. And then go ahead and rub that to keep it adhering. If your pain is higher up, you actually can do a piece long enough to reach from here all the way up into the hip and cross both of these joints. You just never want to end the tape in the middle of a joint. So that's taping for IT band.